see prophecy 9 prophecy. Isaiah chapter 57 verse 18. It says, I have seen his ways and will heal him. I will also lead him and restore comforts to him. And to his mourners. I'm here to tell you, there are times God restores what you need. But there are times he restores to you comfort. I'm here to prophesy to somebody. What this makes you comfortable? This lying on that bed next to your jacuzzi, this makes it comfortable. Oh, I'm here. Hey, just sitting in that luxury car. With that leather seating. I'm here to prophesy to somebody. Comforts. I said 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 comforts. I've come to prophesy. Comfort.
I receive comfort.
You see, the God that you serve is not a God of no frills. You know, there's no frills ketchup, no frills yogurt, no frills bread. But I'm here to prophesy that the God that you have is a God of frills. I'm here to prophesy that the frills are coming. The frills are coming. The frills are coming. He's restoring comforts to you.